Today we're going to see how much of a difference there is in between the switching delays between a bunch of different floor modelers. Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. My name is Taylor, and if you're new here, I do all sorts of guitar related stuff here on my channel like this. If that's something you enjoy, make sure to subscribe and click the bell notification icon so you don't miss any uploads. Okay. One of the most common questions that I get asked on my channel is how much of a difference there is in between the physical delay when you press a button to switch patches or to turn effects on and off between all the different floor modelers that I typically shoot out on my channel. And to be honest with you, I have no idea. I very seldomly use floor modelers on the floor, and even less often do I press the buttons with my feet. I'm a huge fan of automation when I can, and when I play live with my band, I use MIDI to do all the patch changes. So I thought it'd be a good idea to make this video and not only answer all those questions, but appease my own curiosity to see if there is any difference in between the delay when you press a button on any of these floor modelers. First up, we have the HX Stomp, and I'm going to use the foot switches to switch between some patches, and let's see how much of a delay there is on that. Okay, a little bit of a delay, but it's really not that bad. Now let's see what kind of a delay there is when I'm turning effects on and off on a patch using the foot switches. Okay, so there's almost no noticeable delay there when I turn the effects on and off, and that kind of makes sense to me because when you're switching patches, the HX Stomp actually has to load up another patch before it can start processing the signal. So it kind of makes sense that there would be more of a delay switching patches versus just turning the effects that are already loaded on or off. All right, next up, let's do the GE200. That means I gotta set it up. Okay, so next up we have the GE200. Let's check the switching between patches first. That seems to me to be a little bit faster than the HX Stomp, which is a little bit surprising. All right, let's turn the effects on and off and see if there's any noticeable delay there. Okay, so there's almost no noticeable gap there. I'll be interested to edit this when I can actually see the results and see if my perception is accurate on that. Next, let's do the GE200's big brother, the GE250. First, we'll start with the patch changing. Okay, to me that sounds really on par with the GE200. Let's check turning the effects on and off and see if there's lag there. Okay, that seems pretty much exactly the same as the GE200. Not really any noticeable delay as far as I know. I was pretty surprised to see the DSP shoot up to 70% though by just adding delay and reverb. So on a little side note there, It's a lot of processing power for just delay and reverb. Let's check out the Hotone Ampero next. And lastly, we have the Hotone Ampero. So I am plugged into the Ampero right now. Let's check and see if there's any delay when switching patches. Okay, again, just like the GE200 and the GE250, any patch changing delay in here is really, really minimal, and it's not very noticeable at all, you know, when I'm playing it. Okay, now let's check to see if there is any lag when I turn the effects on and off. That Slipknot patch I dialed in is pretty heavy, Jesus. Alright guys, is the lag on any of these modelers a deal breaker for you? Let me know in the comments below. As always, thank you so much for watching my videos, and if you liked it, make sure to hit the like button and consider subscribing, and I'll see you next time. Bye!